to my channel. Tonight I'm doing a seafood boil. Well, actually shrimp and crab leg boil. And I like to make my own dipping sauce. So I'm going to be showing you all how to make this delicious sauce with your shrimp and crab legs. So first I have my unsalted butter, minced garlic. I add a little lemon seasoning, my favorite Cajun seasoning, which is Slap Ya Mama. Yep. Garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, my Creole seasoning. I have sugar and my favorite hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce, Tabasco sauce or whatever. I just have my own preferred favorite. But let's make some sauce. Alright, I'm back. And I like to start my sauce out by adding, I have the half sticks. So I'm going to add 4. I normally would add 2, but in this case I'm going to add 4. I'm going to cut my stove on. I'm using an electric range, so I'm going to put it on maybe 4 or 5 or in between. Medium heat. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can use whole garlic and chop it. I don't like to do all that personally, so I just buy the minced garlic already chopped. You add your seasonings. I normally just season the taste. I only add like a pinch of lemon, just give it that little lemony flavor. Paprika. Get you like 2 or 3 shakes in there. A little sprinkle of cayenne. You can overdo the Slap Ya Mama. I love Slap Ya Mama. Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. It's the best of Cajun seasoning, in my opinion. You add a little chili powder. And sprinkle of garlic powder. Alright. I'm going to be adding, I'm going to say a half a tablespoon, maybe a whole tablespoon of sugar. Last but not least, your hot sauce. You're going to let this melt down for about 5 minutes. Just stir occasionally. I don't like my sauce too thick, so what I would normally do is I will add me a little water. Just to loosen the sauce up. And here is your finished product. Real good sauce.